Hello friends, today we discuss about in this video garlic. 10 ways to use garlic to improve your health. Garlic has been used by many cultures throughout the history of mankind as a medicinal tool. The Sumerians and other groups around the Mediterranean region had a great reverence for its ability to fight infection. An Egyptian writing dating back to 1500 BC discusses the use of garlic for over 22 common health challenges. These same Egyptians fed a heavy garlic diet to their slaves to increase their strength as they built the Great Pyramid. Garlic grows all year around in middle climates and forms a very hardy stalk. The strong smell repels most insects, rodents, and other animals that would potentially be predators. Garlic is typically grown without the use of toxic chemicals and always tests out for very low levels of pesticide and herbicide. Sulfur compounds in garlic. Garlic is one of nature's most powerful immune boosting secrets. Garlic contains over 100 biologically active compounds, including allin, allicin, allinase, and unique sulfur compound. When garlic is crushed or chewed, it folds the allin and allinase enzyme together and causes a chemical reaction to produce allicin. Allicin, along with the sulfur-based compounds, act as powerful antibiotic, antiviral, and antifungal agents that have an incredible immune stimulating effect. Additionally, garlic is also used to lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and help prevent or reverse cancer. Antibiotic and anti-cancer benefits in garlic. Researchers have found garlic to be more powerful at destroying pathogenic bacteria than the popular antibiotics penicillin and tetracycline. It is also very effective against virus and yeasts like Candida. Garlic is also very potent and destroying tumor cells in the stomach, colon, breast, and prostate, among other regions. The sulfur compounds are also effective and detoxifying heavy metals such as mercury, lead, and aluminum. The benefits of garlic can be enhanced by letting it sit for a few minutes directly after chopping. Most people chop or slice garlic and then immediately cook it or put it in an acid-based solution such as lemon juice. Both of these modes of preparation reduce the allinase enzyme and decreases the availability of the sulfur compound. How to get garlic? It is a natural antimicrobial, so it replaces microorganism and is not sprayed with a pesticide. This means you can get conventional garlic. The best benefits are when it is freshly chopped or juiced, so be sure to get fresh clove to get the best immune benefits. Garlic parasite cleanse. Make green juice with lemon, ginger, garlic, and bitter herbs like cilantro, parsley, and dandelion, along with water-rich veggies like bok choy, cucumber, or celery. Drink 16 to 32 ounces daily for a week. Stay off all sugar, dairy, and starches. Eat light and use ton of herbs. How to make garlic green juice? Number one, lemon diced into pieces, 2 inches of ginger, one whole bunch of bok choy or 2 medium cucumbers, 1 bunch of dandelion, then 2 cloves of garlic, 1 bunch of parsley, half grainy Smith apple. Put everything in a jar or a blender and liquefy. This make about 8 to 12 ounces of juices. Garlic nutrition information help keep blood pressure under control. Helps prevent blood vessels from becoming blocked. Improve liver health. Reduce pathogenic microorganism. 12.9% vitamin B6, 15% manganese, numerous beneficial cardiovascular effects, supports immune system health, ability to lower or blood triglyceride and total cholesterol, blood cells and blood vessel protection from inflammatory and oxidative stress. 7.4% vitamin C, 5.5% copper, 3.2% calcium, totally anti-inflammatory. How can you consume garlic? Season your favorite food using raw garlic. Take capsule or health supplement that contain allicin. Consume it raw as a powerful natural medicine. Apply it directly to the skin as an antiseptic. Did you know 5,000 years ago in ancient Egypt, slaves received a daily ration of garlic to improve their strength against illnesses. Then finally, the summarize the benefits of garlic. Regulate blood pressure and sugar, strengthens immune system, prevents heart disease, detoxification, anti-inflammatory, prevent and treat colds, improves bone health, lower cholesterol levels, antioxidant, anti-cancer. So this is all about the garlic. So if you want to stay healthy For side effect free health solutions, contact us. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.